Hi everybody, Ryan Squirrel here. Quick update on my mother-in-law, Nadiia. She's doing okay right now, but she's very kind of depressed because, as some of you know from my previous messages, she lost her apartment. The entire building was a total loss this past Tuesday, and she did not have renter's insurance. She relocated to the US from Ukraine during the war that broke out in 2022. So she's in dire need of pretty much everything to get set back up and moved into a new apartment. The American Red Cross came through with about $350 worth of gift certificates and some blankets and things like that. But we're really relying now on the goodness of strangers to help us through a GoFundMe campaign that I set up. We've collected so far, I think, $5,100, which is great, which, that's just fantastic, but it's really not getting us to where we need to be to set her up safely on her own in a good quality apartment. I would say we're a little bit less than 50% to our goal. We would like to get to 12,500 if at all possible. So I dropped the link here, and I hope you'll visit it and just kind of remember that, she's sleeping in my son's bed. He's 5. It's not good for her. And the faster that we can get her moved into a apartment, the better. I also put in the link below a link to a Google Doc if you're interested in donating some furniture, some clothing, some essentials, a TV, things like that that she'll need to get back set up again. You can sign up there. But really at this point, it's a numbers game, and getting to a goal is kind of what we need to do to get her where she needs to be. So thanks to everyone who's donated so far. Thanks to those of you who have yet to give. And I know this is not about my nonprofit in any way, shape, or form, but I do hope you think about how hard it's been for her and all the folks involved in the Jefferson apartment fire, and consider a gift today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a good weekend.